Hey you guys, this is Gabrielle with Oxmoor Auto Group. I'm here at Oxmoor Toyota today, and today we have very exciting news. We just took in the 2018 Toyota C-HR. This is the XLE Premium. So we're actually going to go over some of the details on the outside of the vehicle. So I have Chuck Schumann here with me.
Hi guys.
And he is going to be showing you this vehicle. So Chuck, go ahead and show us.
Yes, very excited about the new Toyota C-HR. One thing I wanted to show you first, Kenny, this has that 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, CVT transmission. This thing's a fun car to drive. It really is. Got a lot of pep, and if you see the real sporty look, it's got halogen headlights, it's got LED daytime running lights. This one comes with fog lights as well, and it's just a very, very cool concept of a car. It's a two-door, and so one of the things I wanted to point out is this cool back door that they have back here. So first the front door, but then this back door, you actually got the handle up here. Real sporty, real fun, very unique. This is a fun car sitting on big 18-inch wheels. And that's the other thing you'll notice about this is this sits actually pretty high. It stands for Coupe High-Rider. And so that's what the C-HR comes from. And it's just a very stylish, very, very cool car. And so back here in the back, we've got the hatch with the windshield wiper and everything. Real good space, sits up high off the ground, fun car to drive, it handles fantastic. Those back seats fold down. And then everything on it, let me show you these taillights again, because that's one of the cool features, how cool that looks. Everything's very stylish, very sporty. It's a rugged looking, very fun to drive car. Got the spoiler back here at the top. This also comes with roof racks. You can get up there for hauling. This is a fun outdoor vehicle. Nothing like it on the road. These are just, we're very excited to have these in.
Very excited. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, call us. You can reach us at 502-214-7085. You can also visit our website at oxmoortoyota.com. Thanks, you guys. Bye.
Bye.